When you sit down and sand is stuck to your legs in your car, I think that's when you know it's time to clean it. Today, my friends, you are gonna help me deep clean my car because it is so bad. Like, it has not been this bad in ages. I could not tell you last time I cleaned my car. Seriously, I don't really care what my car on the interior looks like because it's getting me from point A to point B. It doesn't bother me, but holy crap, it's so bad. First things first though, I bought a new car tripod because if you watched my recent carpool karaoke video, my freaking camera was sliding everywhere. Every time I film in my car, my camera's just a mess. I bought this on Prime Day and I'm hoping it's big enough to hold my big fat camera because I thought it was bigger. Step one, mount this camera to my freaking car. You can kind of see the remnants from where my old one was, and you can see how big that one was compared to this one. So I'm a little nervous this isn't gonna stick. It's fine, we'll figure it out. Ignore the towel and the yoga mat, okay? How do I do this? I guess I just take the freaking sticky part off of it. Okay, I took the plastic off and then you stick it and you like put this thing down so it suction cups it. I'm nervous. Oh shit, that did not stick. Am I an idiot? Is it supposed to be like on your window or something? Oh my gosh, this is meant to stick to your window, not your car. Well, that's not gonna work, is it? Dang it! Ultimate fail, I will be returning this. I just figured out that this is a dash cam mount, not a film yourself vlog in your camera mount. No wonder it's so freaking small. Besides the point, let me show you what I'm working with in this dirty car of mine. So number one, the main concern for me is all of the sand, just like literally everywhere. You can see it's in the cracks. This is so gross, I'm so sorry. It is in the cracks of my seats, the floorboards. It's really bad right here on my driver's side because I just go to the beach and I don't like dust my feet off. Who knows how long those have been back here. This blanket that still has the tags on it, a charger cord for one that doesn't even fit my phone. There is sand stuck to my leg as we speak. She really needs a deep clean. I also need to get my oil changed. My tires rotated. So we're gonna do all the things. Declutter, clean it out. My car's gross. So let's head to the car wash. I literally just pulled into the car wash place. It says, dude, your car's looking gnarly, drop in. Like, they literally at me. How did they know that my car is looking gnarly? But I'm at Woody's, which they don't have this in Georgia. This is a Florida thing, but it's like Woody's Wash Shack, and it's the best car wash ever. Like, it's just so easy. Look how cute it is. It's just adorable. It's all like beachy surfer. Okay, credit cards, yes, because I'm not a member. I just need one wash. Single. Okay, the guy's coming to help me because clearly I don't know what I'm doing. Hi.
Hello.
I just want one wash.
Just one
Yeah.
wash? That doesn't make any sense.
I know, I just need one. It didn't like my phone number. I kept putting it in and I don't know.
This doesn't work.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why we're here.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
I got you 14 to total.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You have a great one.
You too. Well, that makes a lot more sense. The freaking machine was broken. Why didn't they just say that? I got one wash, $14. Is that expensive? I don't know. Look, it says sharks on it. Woody's is not responsible for sharks. That's hilarious. I see another sharky. Please pull ahead. I'm trying. This may just be a me thing, but I'm scared of car washes. Like, I don't know why, they just kind of freak me out. But it's green right now. Whoa, look at that. Oh, now it's red. This is scary. Like, that thing is terrifying. Oh my gosh. I'm almost at the end. Am I done? I'm done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The real part is go vacuum my car and clean it out because it's so gross. I think I'm gonna go right here. They got jams. Plan of action, take everything out of my car, put it in the trunk, vacuum it all out, wipe it all down. That's where I'm gonna start. Oh my gosh, of course there's Chick-fil-A. Sweatshirt, beach toys. Goodness gracious, Katie. I have this little mini trash can that I keep in my car, but clearly I ran out of space. I could not tell you when this Chick-fil-A was from. Some nice worker just took my floor mats and he's cleaning them for me. I'm vacuuming. dripping in sweat. I have to turn the car air on. Oh my gosh. Whew, it's hot. Okay, I got a towel. I'm gonna wipe everything down. I think I'm done vacuuming. It's looking good in here. Look how good my floor mats look. Yay! She's looking shiny and brand new. I hope y'all can admire my work. I think the most important thing is that all of the sand is gone. Okay, ignore my butt sweat. That's gross, but there's no sand by my feet. There's no sand here. My seat is sand free. I even vacuumed the back, took everything out. It looks so shiny and new because I wiped everything down and I love it. And I went through this little compartment and only put stuff that I actually use and need in here. Do y'all see this? This is what living in Florida in this summer looks like. Sweat dripping off my face from vacuuming my car. For some reason, I always have the weirdest experiences at car washes. 3 different men tried to talk to me, but the first guy was so nice. He was the one that washed my floor mats for me. He came over, gave me a free air freshener. I was like, thank you so much, you didn't have to do that. And he goes, anything for you, Georgia Beach. That was funny. And then the second guy, I think they were just trying to make small talk. I don't know, they're all old. He was like, oh, are you selling your car? Like, why are you taking pictures of it? I'm like, oh, no, I actually make YouTube videos. And he goes, oh, are you famous? Should I ask for your autograph? I'm like, bro, who says that? Like, actually, who says that? That was just weird, but I'm gonna put this car freshener in my car. Hopefully it smells good. It's so cute. I can't tell if I like the scent. Y'all, my car is looking cleaner than it ever has in my life. Seriously, I don't even think I bought it fresh from the dealership like this clean. Just kidding, it definitely has been cleaner, but for me, I did a really good job. I threw away so much trash. I just had so much extra crap in here, and I'm gonna take everything out of the trunk when I get home. I really needed to do that. And if you've been putting it off as much as I have, then I highly suggest you do so. I feel amazing right now. It is day 2 of trying to fix this car, and I just pulled up to the tires choice place. Never been here before, but I'm ready to get my oil changed and my tires rotated. Around this time last year when I had to get my oil changed, it was my first time ever doing it myself, and I was like, I'm gonna be a big girl and I'm not gonna call Bryan for help. I got this. Like, it can't be that hard. So the notification popped up on my Mini. It said, take your Mini into the dealership. You need to have all this work done. Oil change, tire rotate, all of that stuff. So I was like, perfect. Made an appointment at the Mini dealership. It's over an hour away. And I was like, okay, I got this. Drove an hour out of the way to go get my oil change because I thought you had to go to where your car is from, like the dealership, to get your oil changed. And you don't. I also paid $150 to get my oil changed, which, by the way, did not know that an oil change should be like less than 50 bucks. Like, had no idea. That was a blonde moment. I will never do that again. I think I learned my lesson because we're at the tire choice place. No more blonde moments for Caiti. I'm learning and I'm becoming an adult. Hopefully the men in here don't give me a run for my money because I get scared of that. Like, they're always trying to haggle the girls that don't know what they're talking about. But let's go get this oil changed. I don't even know what an oil change does. Also, why is the police right there? I didn't do anything wrong. Here we are. I made an appointment, so I hope I'm good. There she is, all shiny and beautiful. I feel like most of you know this, but I drive a Mini Cooper, which is a European car. I love my Mini. I recommend it to everybody, but I don't like European cars because they're so expensive. I had a Groupon. It turned out I had it for the wrong oil because I needed full synthetic oil, whatever the freak that means. I don't know how, but I walked out of there still paying $100. Full synthetic European vehicle motor oil. Like, what? What does that even mean? At least I didn't have to drive an hour out of the way this time, but I'm still so confused. Why is it so dang expensive? Oil filter lube? Like, what? It says inspect brakes too. I feel like they just did stuff. I hate having to spend money on adult purchases that I don't notice a difference. This is your sign that if you've been needing to get your oil changed for a while, go do it. I don't know why you should do it, but just do it. That's my TED Talk. Hello, it is Caiti from the future. Editing Caiti, if you will. I just wanted to say, I get so many questions about people asking me where the decor for my car is from, and I have it all linked on my storefront. I just know people are gonna ask where my steering wheel cover is from, where my cup holder things are inserted in. I have so much cute decor that I have bought for my car in my storefront. This is not sponsored. I wanted to put it in there and say that for y'all. Having a clean car after having it be so gross and dirty for so long is like the best feeling. I love you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe.